All right, hello, how you doing? So today we're going to talk about how to structure a basic web page using HTML and CSS. I'm also going to explain the meaning behind the tags, as well as show you how to save your HTML document um, and upload it into a web browser. All right, so the first things first we're going to talk about is dot type. You want to make sure that a dot type, the exclamation point shows, and as well as make sure that you capitalize the D in dot type. The reason you want to do that because uh, basically your instruction to the web browser is about what version of HTML the page is being written in. Then you have the HTML tag. Basically with HTML tag, it tells the browser that this is an HTML document. Then you have the head. The head tag includes the title for the document, script styles, meta information, and other things. Then you have the title. When you have the title, think about the newspaper. You know, the newspaper, they always come out with different stories. So whatever the title of the newspaper or the big story in the newspaper, think about that the same way when you build your website. Whatever title you want that website to be, that's the meaning of the title tag. You want to make sure that you close your title tag as well, just like you see it on the at the end of introduction / website. You see that it has the / and then title. If you don't do that, your content is not going to show. All right, so then you have that, and then you close it with the head tag. Then you have the body tag. The body tag basically is the main content of the web page. It contains content of an HTML document, such as text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, and other things. And then you make sure you want to close that with the body tag. As you see here, the first thing I have a header, which is an H1. The purpose of H1 is the biggest size that you have. Think about when you do Microsoft Word and you think about how big you want your letters to be. Think of that with H1. You have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So H1 is the biggest. Everything else is basically smaller. So H1 is only used for the main title. H2 through H6 is used for like supporting titles. As you see here, I have I styled it. So basically, style equals color. I added some color to my content. So basically that is CSS. CSS is basically anything that you want to style, color. That's the purpose of it. I also have a line. I align my content, so you also see that when I upload my HTML document. Then you have the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is this. I have my main content, as you see here, and I also had styled by paragraph tag. I use the color blue, so you will see that once I upload it as well. Then since I closed my main content with the body tag, like I said, then I close my HTML document as well. Then what you do, I'm going to show you how to save. Hit save as. You put whatever you want to save it to. I got index.html. And make sure you want to save it all files, and make sure you want to save it under desktop so it can appear. So since I already have it, it says already exists. Do you want to replace it? I'm gonna say yes. Then hit index,